How to purchase Prime membership in Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can purchase the Prime membership in Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, purchasing the Prime membership on Amazon is also very simple. You can also do this from the Amazon app, but what I would recommend you do is you simply go ahead and then open up your browser here. Now, once you open your browser, you simply have to go to this website, which I'll make sure to drop a link, which is amazon.com/Amazon Prime. So I'll just make sure to drop this link as well. Go to amazon.com, then type in Amazon Prime. So as I repeat here as well, just go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime and then just hit the go button here. Now, once you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, if you aren't also already logged into your Amazon account, you can go ahead and then log into your Amazon account here by tapping this option. Now, right when you're on this page, you'll find the start your free 30-day trial option, and you'll find all the Prime benefits where you can tap the start your free 30-day trial option over here. And now all you have to do is just make sure you enter your payment method, such as your credit or debit card. If you have a gift card, you can apply the gift card as well. So once you have done that, you can tap the continue option if you'd like to go ahead and then purchase the Prime video. This way you can purchase Prime membership in Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.